KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning to draw Ariel. Mermaid, step by step. Let's start by drawing. First I am drawing its eyes. Then I am drawing its eyelashes. And I am drawing another side. Now I am drawing its nose and lips and eyebrows. Let's draw its hair. Let's draw the another side. Now I am drawing its cheek and its body. Let's draw its hand. Then I am drawing its body and its tail. Let's draw its tail. Cute face.
Subscribe us for more videos.
I'm going to color it. Let's color with me. Red color. Now I am coloring its hair. You can color with me. Oh, look at her cute hair. I love its shiny red hair. Red color. Let's color its hair again. I am coloring the other side. You can color with me. Oh, look at her cute hair. Color. First I am coloring its face, its lonely face. Now I am coloring its ear and its cheeks and its chin. Let's color its leg and its arm. Let's color its hand, its second hand. Light pink color. Now I am coloring its teeth and its nose and its lips.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Purple color. Now I am coloring in shell. Hope you enjoy this video. Light green color. Now I am coloring its eyes and its body. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's color in tail. dark green color. Let's color its eyes and its body. Now I am going to color its tail. Dark pink color. Let's color in stone.
Subscribe us for more videos.